guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, we are going to be going through the ins and outs, everything you need to know about my new Fendi Baguette. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. I saw it and I was like, well, I need it. So I was flying and I decided to be a little bit smart. Also, if you've been on this channel long enough, you know I love a duty-free moment. I was flying through Heathrow Terminal 5, which doesn't have Fendi, but Terminal 4 does. Spoke over the phone, made friends with a lovely woman there, basically told her that I want this bag, I will sacrifice my firstborn child for this bag. Can she get it for me? Can she transfer it to Terminal 4? She said yes, yes. And now I'm the proud mother. So, just to give you an idea of price / savings from duty free as well before we get into the details of the bag. So this bag is £1,850. I ended up getting this bag for £1,540, which is a discount of 16.76%. So this is the Fendi Baguette in the medium size. She's also available with a neon pink trim and also, in case you're not here for the neon, with a black trim, okay? And then of course you have the classic Fendi Zucker print. This is a fabric. We have gold metal here and on all of the other details. The straps, both straps, are detachable, which is a fun little something in case you really want to just clutch her, or you just want a top handle, or you just want a crossbody, or you want them all. You want them all on there. The possibilities are endless. So, the pros of this bag, I mean, look at her. She is the empress, she is the queen. You know me, I've said it last time and I'll say it again, I am a logo ho. And I love her. I love her. To me, the medium size is the perfect size. This is not a structured bag, okay? She has a little bit of sag in the middle there, depending on how much you put in. Personally, I like that. Oh, just a little bit of juice. She's juicy, you know? So I like that. The large, to me, it started to like bend in the middle a bit and it started to look a little bit too big for the top handle. It was kind of like squashing it in the middle kind of thing, which this doesn't happen that much with this. You can fit so much in this bag. This bag is essentially a hole with one zip pocket at the back there. You've got a little Fendi gold, what is that, label kind of thing that says Baguette Fendi made in Italy. You can put so much crap in this bag. It is fantastic, you know? I mean, fill her up. Now, the clasp is magnetic. It's been a while since I've had a magnetic clasp bag, so for me, I've been doing a lot of this, waiting for it to click. I love the fact that she has a top handle. I love the fact that she has a crossbody. If you don't want to be too loud with the strap, you can just flip her over and then it's just the Fendi Zucker print with the neon trim. I mean, the levels of this bag is just, I can't. I mean, you have eyes, you can see, you can tell how unfathomably glorious this bag is. Now for the cons. There is really one con. And that is the fact that this is a fabric bag. So I am being very careful with this bag as opposed to something like this, which is a really kind of like structured, she's a grainy leather. I mean, don't run her over, but you know, she can withstand a spill or two. There is nothing on this that is coated. The trim is all just like the threads, and this is like I don't even know what that is. The only thing is though, is that so that the handle wouldn't get dirty if it's all fabric, the underneath is leather. So it is more hard wearing than you would think. I'm not putting it on the floor. I'm not putting it on a questionably dirty surface. I am not putting it anywhere that anything could be spilled, that isn't water, and all of that. So that is the only con, is that you need to keep your eyes out. If you are not scared of fabric bags and you love a bit of neon, I would highly recommend. I mean, what a pièce de résistance. She's just great. I'm a huge fan. Let me know your thoughts on this bag. If you have any other questions as well, let me know in the comments. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed meeting. Oh, what should I name her? Honestly, what should I name her? Because she needs like a name that commands attention, truly. So let me know your name suggestions below. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.